Pro Shock Joe for Smack Talk TV. We're here live at Seek, Conquer, and Destroy. And we've got the man, the myth, the legend right here on the screen. We've got the train. He said he got an express pickup at Colonial Beach, and he's dropping them off at the 559-foot mark. I mean, the 659-foot mark. Lord, to the have mercy. Hey, train. What's going on, doctor?
Not a whole lot.
Oh, man, listen, JC Richardson over there. JC was once the baddest back half in the world. And you telling me you gonna pick him up and drop him off at the 659?
We gonna try.
Lord, to the have mercy. Hey, listen, man. Now, this is a 69 too?
68.
It's a 68. So you saying, oh, now 69 a little bit more than 68. You know that, right?
68 comes before 69.
Huh?
68 was before 69.
Oh, 68 come before 69. Lord, to the have mercy. I'm gonna leave it right there. The train says 68 comes before 69. We'll see if that remains true. Let's leave it rolling right now. Let's find JC. Oh, there he is, JC Richardson. Listen, man, I just got finished talking to the train. The train said, the train said he's gonna pick up a package at the starting line and drop it off at the 659-foot mark. He said he got a special delivery. Any response?
659.
Huh?
659.
I mean, the 659, not 660 at the finish line. He gonna drop you off right before.
If he be at the 659, that means I'm gonna be in front of him at the 660.
He say he's dropping you off at the 659.
Well, he might get dropped.
He might get dropped.
He's gonna get dropped. You watch.
Now, wait a minute now.
I want you to video it.
I got the finish line covered now. I'm gonna see who get dropped.
He gonna get dropped.
Lord to the have mercy. Now listen, now one more thing.
What?
I told him, I said, listen now. Now, I said, this is 68, ain't it? He said, yeah. I said, you know 69 is bigger than 68. He said, yeah, but 68 come before 69.
And 68 come after, 69 come after 68, but we gonna see who gonna be in the front.
There you go. Okay, there you go. JC Richardson with 69 steel. Looking to go to battle tonight. There you have it. Pro Shock Joe, now you know what I know. Lord, tell her have mercy. Good luck, doctor. Still, side by side, smoky burnouts. Lord, to the have mercy. JC Richardson and the 69 steel Camaro. All up again. The train in the 68 Camaro. The sun is about to set on somebody's ass at the beach. Trains carry steel. With the wind, JC Richardson crossing the center line. Wow. The train with the wind, JC Richardson crossing the center line and automatically disqualifies himself. Oh my goodness, you hate to see it go down like that, but he's okay. No harm done to the car, don't believe. He's okay. The 69 kid, 69 steel, rolls on. And the train dropped him off, as predicted, at the 659-foot mark. Pro Shock Joe, and now you know what I know. As the sun sets on the 69 steel here at the beach. Wow, wow, wow.
Outside, 69,